Cajun butter salmon tacos. Yes, yes, and yes. Guys, this is amazing right here. So delicious, so much flavor going on. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste no time. Let's get started. Alright guys, so these are some of the ingredients that we'll be working with for this video, and as you can see, not much is needed at all. This is a simple, yes, oh so delicious recipe that you can very quickly get done. So what I'm doing here, I'm just drizzling a little bit of olive oil on my salmon fillet. I'm giving them a nice luxurious massage, getting all up in there, you know what I mean, making them feel real good. And for this recipe, you're gonna go ahead and grab the Cajun seasoning of your choice. Whatever Cajun seasoning you like, go ahead and grab it and close your eyes and just go crazy. Go ham, go absolutely insane, and season this salmon up proper, guys. Make sure it's well coated like this. If it ain't, send it back, please, to the kitchen because I don't want it. So I have my pan here nice and hot to about a medium high, and we are gonna melt up some unsalted butter. You can use about 3 to 4 tablespoons depending on how you feel, and make sure it's unsalted because you don't want that extra salt getting in your recipe. It's gonna make your salmon oh so salty, and we ain't trying to have that. So go ahead and place your salmon down. Make sure you get a nice beautiful crust like this one. You're gonna let it cook for about a couple minutes per side, maybe about 3 to 4 minutes per side, all right? And you're gonna have a nice, beautiful crust like this, guys. Tell me this does not look amazing. So once your salmon is fully cooked, you wanna go ahead and set it off to the side, just like so. And man, oh man, please resist the temptations of digging in already. I know it looks good, but we gonna make it 10 times better after we build this taco up. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, go ahead and put that onto the side, and we are gonna grab our onion. We have ourselves about a medium onion chopped up, and we're gonna just toss that right in to our butter, and we are gonna saute this onion right here until it's nice and translucent, looking oh so good, because we're gonna use this to build up our taco, guys. All right. And if you haven't already, please leave a like for your boy down below. And if you're new to the channel, come on now, subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest video. And you gotta rock that notification bell. If you don't, you really gonna miss out. So go ahead and toast up your tortillas, all right? Because we ain't about to build no tacos with some pale looking tortillas. These gotta be looking oh so beautiful, oh so crispy. All right guys, so once you have your tortillas out the way, you're gonna move on back to this salmon, and I'm just gonna kind of chop this up into cubes. All right, we're not trying to just destroy the salmon, we're just trying to, you know, just create little cubes and whatnot so we can fill up those tacos. All right, so go ahead and do this until you have all your salmon ready to go. Ready to build, ready to build, ready to build. Yes, I am, guys. Go ahead and grab your beautiful salmon and go ahead and fill up these tortillas, guys. And I know you're gonna ask me, Jay, can I use corn tortillas? Yes, you can use any tortilla you want. All right, but my personal preference, I love me some flour tortillas. All right, so once you have your salmon in there, go ahead and grab that beautiful onion. Go ahead and place that on top as well. Moving on, we have some chopped up tomatoes. Go ahead and put that there as well. You know, can't forget the tomato. Once you're done with the tomato, you can't forget about some fresh cilantro. That cilantro gives it that extra oomph, guys. That extra oomph. You know what I mean? So do not forget the cilantro, guys. Don't put no regular lettuce. Cilantro just adds so much flavor to this dish. All I'm missing right here is some sour cream. Thought I had some in the fridge, but I don't. It's all good. We still are gonna munch down on these awesome salmon tacos. They are so good, so amazing, full of flavor, you know? I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. I know you're gonna love it. And once you're done trying them out, don't forget to come back to the video and let me know how you love them, okay? All right, I'll see you on the next video, guys. Deuces.